When I wake up in the morning, I first put my head to the ground. धरती माँ के आशीर्वाद लेता हूँ. I do that every single day. The first thing I step out of the bed, and I literally, thank once again. The word gratitude is overchewed and spitted out, but still, gratitude is an emotion and a sentiment which should come out very naturally for the oxygen that's available to us, for the sunlight that we have, for the rain and water and oceans we have, for the chirping of the birds, for the whole ecosystem because of which we can live. Our life depends on the ecosystem. And most importantly, the five elements, Pancha Mahabhutas, and you thank you for this. And then you should thank for the roof, for the food, for the nice bed, for the nice clean loo, and for a good shower. Now, these are things we take it for granted. If we begin to feel very humble and grateful and thankful about it, we do attract a lot of flow of abundance naturally. Then be grateful for every single person who has helped you. And then also be grateful to every such person who's hurt you. Because help and hurt are just two sides of the same coin. And they both enrich you with some experiences and make you grow. So do that. And thereafter, I have breath for breakfast. I soak myself in the sun. I take air bath first before I take my water bath. I have loads of fruit juices. I enjoy listening to the chirping of the birds. I mean, fortunately, my
Oh,
windows.
it means that you are an early riser.
Yeah, I mean, in the hour of 6, my window oversees a golf course of Willingdon Club in Bombay at Mahalakshmi. And I have a Kalpa Vruks just outside. My sun rises right in front of me, and flowers are blossoming, lawns are green, lots of trees, birds and bees. And I enjoy, I'm a nature lover. Anybody who appreciates life will appreciate nature. So when I say
I'm
appreciate
sure
life,
about
I'm not
that.
talking about whiskey, vodka, wine. I'm talking about the nature
Absolutely.
which is more superfine, you know. So the most
Absolutely.
wonderful things of life are to be enjoyed, and guess what? They're all free. And not ek pe ek free, ek pe das free, das pe so free. So I was wondering that people were queuing up to buy oxygen in black when there was lots of oxygen available free, they didn't take it. And then obviously they would have to then queue
True.
up to buy oxygen from the machine. How stupid a man can be. Keep yourself so vibrant. There are 60 to 70,000 germs, viruses, diseases, bacteria there in our ecosystem. Almost 70,000 types. And new will be born. As and how we keep polluting our environment, new and new viruses and germs will be born. But the more you are aligned, the more you're total, the more you're integrated, you may get a mild attack here and there, but you will not succumb to it. Your body will learn to recover from it. So Louis Pasteur, on his deathbed said that I was a fool, I was chasing the virus. I didn't look inside the human terrain, which is so intelligent. So intelligent. So we can keep ourselves healthy, wealthy, vibrant, radiant with all that we do and all that we consume. And the moment you keep bowing and keep taking blessings, and show keep showing gratitude, obviously you become one with this whole existence. And meditation, prayers, thoughts, intentions, creativity, they help you to grow and evolve.
Get naturalized, exercise, let your life get Mickey Mice, Mickey Mice, Mickey Mice.